Okay, very warm welcome to each one of you today to the 4-day WhatsApp course to break your anxiety. The structure of course is this. So we'll be having on day one some introduction, and day two we'll be getting into some discovery, and I'll let you give one more day extra to do the discovery properly. And day three we have one breakthrough, and day four we'll be having another breakthrough. So there's a four day breakup of the entire class. All the communication happens via email and through WhatsApp group. If at all you have not joined that, please feel free to join it. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask at the end of the session, and please do not interrupt in the conversation. By any chance, if you have not attended any specific class or you are not able to attend fully, then don't worry. I'll be sharing the recording of this specific class in the WhatsApp group or an email. And all the information, all the recordings I'll share with you will be lapsed by end of the fourth day. Okay, this is how the structure is going to be. And on day third, I request you to be in a peaceful place where you can positively experience the breakthrough. So don't attend that. They ensure that you are in the right calm place such that you can take advantage of it. So day one, this session go up to maybe up to 7 o'clock. Tomorrow session might be very crisp, maybe 15-20 minutes, where I'll be giving you some exercises, and I want you to complete and come back. And day three again will be approximately less than 30 minutes, and day four will be 30 to 45 minutes. So this is the complete structure of the program, and there is no support in the WhatsApp. Please do not ask any questions. WhatsApp group is not to communicate back, it's only to me communicating with you, and I'll be leaving the lessons to the WhatsApp. So this is the structure of the program, and we will be completing the session by approximately in 30 to 45 minutes. So let's get started without any further delay. I'll be keeping my mobile on off, so I request you also to do the same. And I also am going to stop the camera such that there is no lag of internet connection. And I'll come back to you with the full camera once we are done with the session today. Okay, now I'm stopping my camera. Now I'm going to share my screen. Okay. Hey, I'm Pawan Panchangam. I'm founder of Pawan Panchangam Consulting. And thank you very much for taking out the time to watch this video training that will explain how to break free from mental health issues or like self-confidence, anxiety, etc., even if you have struggled for decades. And my team and I spent a lot of time and money, resources developing this training for you. Why we have done that? Because three simple reasons. But before I get into those reasons, here is something important. Please make sure to watch this training video till the end. And my goal is to get you results with this training and ensure you know how to break free from your own emotional and mental health issues. And the only way I can do that is if you watch the training video till the end. The results have been literally unbelievable since the time I have released this training video. One of my client, obviously I will not share the names of the clients for the privacy reasons, but one of my clients has broken free from driving phobia after taking breakthrough promise session with me in 60 minutes. And one person has broken free from agoraphobia after taking breakthrough session with me. And one more client has broken free from a phobia on a boss and became entrepreneur after taking the breakthrough promise session with me. And one more client has broken free from 15 years old addiction. Okay. And one more client has broken free from 40 years old smoking addiction. And many people has broken free from chronic depressive thoughts and all other ailments. And there are many examples like this, like in the area of mental health issues, psychosomatic disorders, OCDs, and etc. etc. The formula is very simple. The breakthrough pattern goes something like this: discover, decide, and get results. Are the only three steps we'll follow. So, as I said before, we made this training for three reasons. The first reason is the big opportunity to get rid of mental issues, disorders, addictions, and negative emotions, phobias, OCDs, etc., 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 is here in front of you now. I would like to give you three fundamental informations. One is mind and body are interconnected. Our mind and body are interconnected. Whatever happens in the mind, there is response happens in the body, and whatever happens in the body on actions, there is a response happens in the mind. An example is very simple. You think of something, maybe positive, maybe negative, maybe pleasant, maybe something else. Automatically, the physiology, the way you speak, how you talk, everything will get changed. Similarly, if you do something, you are very depressed or very bad in shape, if you do something, some activity, that state of mind will change. So, mind and body are interconnected. This is a very fundamental information I want you to understand. Second is human bodies are like chemical factories. We are like chemical factories, and that's exactly the same reason why we consume chemical components as medicines. And one more important factor is our emotions produce chemicals in human system. Some emotions produce positive chemicals that makes good for health. Some emotions produce negative chemicals that makes bad to us. That's how we segment emotions like positive emotions and negative emotions. How do we create various mental issues, psychosomatic disorders, OCDs, phobias, addictions, and all other negative emotions like anxiety, fear, sadness, depression, blah, 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 blah? The process is very simple. There is an input. That input triggers a specific brain program, and that brain program produces an output. What are the inputs? What we see, what we hear, what we touch, what we taste, what we smell, what and self-talk and thoughts. All these works as the input triggers. Let me mute some people. I request every one of you, please mute yourself. Okay, I'm very sorry for that. So these are all the inputs. Even self-talk. Self-talk means, whoa, I'm going to go for this interview. I don't know. That itself works as the input. And other thoughts. The thoughts can be a memory, thought can be something in the future, thought can be anything. All these things works as the input, and these specific inputs are going to kickstart a brain program, and that brain program is going to produce either emotions or behaviors towards addictions, phobia responses, disorders like OCD or bad bipolar the disorder, and PTSD, anxiety, fears, etc., etc., etc. So I want you to take forward these three informations. One is input that triggers a specific brain program, and that produces emotion. Okay, then we'll go to the next slide. Perhaps if you're watching, listening to me and following me, then I think you could have tried various things unsuccessfully in your life in the past. Now that point brings out a very important question, is why most of the approaches like pills, meditations, counseling, affirmations, and motivational talks, are you saying no, I can do it kind of statements, why they actually fail? Traditional approaches like doing a meditation or taking a pill or having affirmations or maybe having a self-talk or motivational talk or someone coming and giving you a counseling, why actually they fail? Because all these approaches are like stopping water from a tap by placing hand beneath it. If you place hand beneath a running water from a tap, what happens? That's exactly is happening with your all approaches so far. And that's exactly the same reason why one need daily practices and why success is very temporary. Because if you want to stop water from the tap by placing hand beneath it, Yeah, as long as you hold it tight, the water can be stopped. But how long you can hold, how much time you can invest on that, that's exactly it is going. That's exactly most of the traditional approaches requires very rigorous daily practices. Otherwise, if you don't do daily practices, it is not going to hold. And other sad factor is that traditional approaches, whatever I have listed above, maybe more than what I have listed, they actually work at the outcome level, which means once the outcome is already produced and they wanted to stop it, it is like water is already blown out of the tap, and then you wanted to place water, place your hand beneath it. That's exactly what happens with the most of the traditional approaches, because they focus once the outcome is already produced or direct. Since approach is like that, and most of the issues becomes very chronic, and most of the people suffer for many years. And how can we break free from mental health issues, psychosomatic disorders, PTSDs, OCDs, negative emotions like fear, anxiety, phobias, addictions, without using pills, hours long daily practices? Let us take this example. There are two categories. One is, let us take one input, one whatever it is going through the input is triggering a positive brain program, and that positive brain program is going to kickstart positive emotions. Those positive emotions kickstart positive actions. Hence, you'll be able to achieve success, health, wealth, happy, better relationship, and abundance and everything. And you already have in your life, isn't it? And also there are other input programs or inputs that are going to kickstart other negative brain program that is going to produces or motivates you to do negative activities and actions, that is going to produce failures, mental health issues, relationship issues, health issues, and all sorts of issues. These are the two things happens for every one of us. Every human being experience either of the one. How do we do that? What is the modern solution? What do we do with the modern solution is that in the traditional solution, it is like focusing on output place, like it is like when water is flowing from the tap, placing hand beneath it. In the modern solution, what do? We de-link the negative brain program to the same input, and we link a positive brain program. What does it mean? For example, let us take example of Sneha. Sneha has an anxiety or issue or low confident issues when she wants to go to any for an interview, or when she thinks of an interview, or she thinks of anything towards work. She's less confident. What exactly happening now is all these input triggers, like what she's about seeing towards her interview, what she's hearing about her interview, what she's saying to herself about the interview, or what are the activities she's engaging towards the interview, is kickstarting a brain program that has been creating a self-doubt or low confidence or anxiety or a fear can be thing. So post this activity, what happens is we will de-link that brain program and link a positive brain program which Sneha already have with respect to self-confidence, happy, and and anxiety-free, stress-free. When that happens, all the inputs, whatever they were there earlier, instead of kickstarting a brain program that produces self-doubt and low confidence and fear and etc are going to kickstart self-confidence, anxiety-free, stress-free, happy, composed. What happens with that? Every human being have all the abilities to perform their tasks. So automatically, the moment the brain program changed, she'll be more confident and more happy. And with that state of mind, she's going to handle any kind of interview such that she'll be able to achieve whatever the success she actually aimed to achieve. And that is the case with everything. That is the case with all kind of anxieties. That is the case with mental health issues. That's the case with OCDs. That's the case with everything. We simply de-link something and link something that actually produces. I'll also give you a flip the coin experience. For
Hello.
example, yes.
Yes, sir, your voice is breaking actually.
You should not unmute. You should please hold on. Okay. So am I clear now? Is everybody able to hear?
Yes.
So people who have other issues, be in a better internet connection. And if you have any issues, I'll be sending you the link in your WhatsApp group such that you let me complete my thing. Okay. So I'll not be able to answer your questions until I complete. Anyway, now I took a break. So let us see what questions you have and let me answer them quickly. Sneha, apologies to taking you as an example. Don't mind if at all. Okay, so I am not seeing your chat box, and I also request you please do not interrupt me. I'll answer all the questions at the end if at all I have missed anything. Okay, let me repeat. So there are two categories of inputs. One category of input is going to kickstart a brain program that is producing positive emotions, and with the help of those positive emotions, one can get into success, health, wealth, happiness, relationship, abundance. There are another category inputs other that is going to kickstart other negative brain program that is going to lead into all the issues. What we are going to do with respect to this specific program is we are going to delink the negative brain program that has been creating negative emotions and link a positive brain program that produces positive emotions. And what does that mean? That means there is no change in the input, even though the input remain absolutely same.
Pavan, I cannot hear you completely. I don't know if it's just me or everyone else.
I don't know yet because everybody else, you have anybody else has an issue? Let us see. Some people are raising hands. No voice. People are complaining. No voice. Let me. My thing is better only. I don't know why is the issue.
Yeah, your voice is breaking a lot.
Okay. How about it now? Is it okay?
Yeah.
Is it okay now? Okay. So tell me, guys, till when you are very clear from where I need to repeat? From where I should repeat? From where I should continue?
This slide may be like
From stream.
when you change the input to positive, you just started, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello,
Okay.
Pavan?
Yeah. I'm listening to you. Please go ahead and speak.
Yeah, the starting of this slide should be good, actually.
Okay, let us do that.
Thank you.
No problem. So let me start again about this specific slide. So in the previous slide, we have seen example that there is an input that kickstarts a brain program that produces an emotion. That emotion leads to actions. That actions leads to success, health, wealth, happy relationship, abundance. And at the same time, some inputs are going to kickstart a negative brain program. That negative brain program is going to lead into negative actions. Those negative actions are going to get negative consequences like failures, mental health issues, relationship issues, health issues, whatever it is. Most of the traditional emotional management techniques or traditional treatments of for anxiety, all these things focuses broadly on outcome. So one outcome is already derived, then they focus upon, for example, counting 1 to 5 when you're anger. When anger is already outburst, what is the point of counting 1 to 5? Or maybe doing some kind of activities, listening to music. All these things will gradually or broadly works when the situation is already completed, when the damage already been done. So what help you need? You need to reprogram your mind in a way for a specific input. Instead of getting an anger, you should be calm and composed. Suppose your wife or some family member or some kid or some outside person says something, or a boss, something says something. All these years, if you get anger, with this program, even though there is no change from them, you can start feeling completely differently. How do we do that? We simply de-link the negative brain program that has been creating a negative emotion to the input, and we link a positive brain program that produces a positive output. By doing this, what are we essentially doing? The person who is low self-confident become very confident. The person who is very anger become very calm and composed. The person or a thought, the person who is more anxiety freak will become calm and composed. The person who has driving phobia can drive a car. So all these things are possible. And the good news is all these effects, all these things we can achieve in less than 60 minutes. It won't take much time. This slide, everybody got it? Can I move forward?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Go ahead, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Let's go ahead. So, what is this approach? This is like stopping water from a tap by turning off the knob, or even changing internal connections in the how the taps comes. And once you do that, you are changing the entire structure. You don't need to do every day standing, and whenever it is leaking, go and do something. And the good news, as already discussed, it all takes just a few minutes. As a result, the same thought or a memory or an experience or an event or a phobia of a person, addiction, any kind of disorder, whatever that has been troubling you for the decades or even months or even years, will not be able to trouble you post a breakthrough session with me. I repeat, the same thought, memory, or an experience, an event, any kind of phobia, addiction, any kind of disorder, what has been troubling you will not be able to trouble you post a breakthrough session with me. Okay. The another third reason why I want you to pay attention to this fully and why I want you to listen to me. You have the ability and you have the opportunity to live by choice and enjoy true freedom. What do I mean by having a true choice? For a specific context, if you want to be fearful, please be fearful. For a specific context, if you wanted to be composed, be composed. For a specific context, you wanted to be excited, be excited. You wanted to love someone where you have been hating throughout the years, you can do that. You wanted to hate someone whom you are loving throughout the years, you can do that. You can love an activity which you have been hating, you can do that. You can hate an activity which you have been doing, you can do that. It's completely up to your choice. You choose the way you wanted to respond and have an emotion in a specific context and have it. And that is the actually freedom or living by choice. Don't spot or don't stop yourself by having an automatic responses like a fear is going to interview is a fear, or starting up a new business is a fear, or the fear of something, or hatred or annoyance about someone. If you wanted to have all those things, please continue to have. But you want to break it, this is the time you can break it. And that's what I mean by living by choice and experiencing true freedom. Guys, I request you to please mute yourself, and Sneha, please mute yourself. I'm muting and I'm not sure how you guys are unmuting yourself. Okay. Now, if you have that kind of freedom or start living by choice, you can save time, and resources, those have been invested to manage your uh, issues like self-confidence or anxiety, addictions, OCD, psychosomatic disorders, negative emotions, etc., etc. We live 100 years. I wish every one of us live for 100 years. In the 100 years, we invest a lot of time in sleeping, brushing, and do basic necessities. Someone had a rough calculation. We might spend 40% of our time in sleeping, maybe 2 3 years in brushing, like that. By doing everything, when do you actually live? When you actually fill the rest of the time with the negative emotions and feeling sad about it, feeling depressed about it, feeling anxious about it. And if you wanted to, if you are seeking for a solution for all these things, some people recommend you to do 20 minutes of daily rituals, maybe listening to something or maybe doing some breathing exercises. You feel free to do if you like to do. But if your outcome is to come out of these negative emotions, then you can save all the time. And if you have that time in your hand, trust me, every one of you who are watching this or listening to me at this point of time can earn at least 1 crore in matter of 3 to 4 years if you put in the right direction. And we're also going to save a lot of time going and meeting people, looking for multiple options. And you can also save your life from health issues or unwanted side effects that are going to come with unsuccessful approaches. If you have this control, if you start living by your choice, if you start having your own emotion, then you can have pink health, because negative emotions produce negative chemicals that is going to affect our immune system or health system. And you can have very fast career growth and business success and expansion. Most of the things we cannot put value to it. Suppose someone asks, how much value or what is in terms of money my relationship are going to progress. No one can put value to that because we cannot measure the quality of relationships we are going to enjoy with respect to money. Similarly with any other things, but with respect to career and business, you can definitely put some value to it. My personal experience in 3 to 5 years of the time, if you have right emotions, if you break free from negative emotion, you are going to make anywhere from 1 million and above. You are going to get faster career growth. You are going to get faster business results. And obviously, if you have control, if you have a living by your choice, you're going to have a fulfilled life and fulfilled relationship, and you're going to achieve ultimate freedom, whether it is related to financial, emotional, personal, or anything else. So those are the 3 reasons why I have created this training video and why you should consider to get rid of mental health issues, PTSDs, OCDs, addictions, phobia, and all other kind of negative emotions without using pills and without using spending long-term daily practices. So now I'm going to open up for the question and answers and answer your specific questions, and then I'll tell you what I'm going to do next. Feel free to ask me questions now. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I'm going to stop the my work till now. Any kind of question, you're free to ask me.
Pavan, Prasad here.
Yes, Prasad.
Actually, I just came in between, so
Okay.
I think I missed the first 25 slides or something. So can you just give a brief overview, like what has happened in the first phase or something?
Can we do something? I'll share the link. Anyway, I'm recording this. I'll share you the link with you and you go through that.
Okay.
And if you have still some clarifications, I can always answer them. Is that fine?
Yeah, that's perfectly fine. Thank you so much. I really
Sure.
appreciate it.
Sure.
Coming back to this, I have a query with regards to the the wellness, mental wellness. So popping pills whenever there is an anxiety or depression and all, right? So like you said, like you don't have to do it after post the session.
What you have to not do
Hello?
it? What were you doing before the session?
No. I'm asking. You said like you don't have to pop a pill You don't have to
Yes.
take any
See,
rituals.
okay. I would like to reserve that statement of saying that don't use pills, because that is a doctor's, medical practitioner's responsibility to tell you whether you need to take a medicine or not. But what I'm saying is, if you go for anybody, for any medical practitioner, and if you say, I have a fever, I have this issue, I have that issue, I have cold, or I have an infection, they're going to give you a pill to come out of that. Okay. When you don't have any symptom, then you go to the medical practitioner and say that I don't have anything now, so do you want me to continue this medication or not? When the doctor says, more likely that don't use medication anymore because you don't need. So what I am saying is, with whatever we are trying to do, you are not going to have that symptom at all. You understand?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So suppose, let us take an example of anxiety. For some people, when they think about corona, let us take an example of corona now. When they think about corona or they hear about corona, they feel very anxious. And with that anxiousness, they are going to meet someone, and some people will, in order to support and help them, they are going to give some medications or meditation exercises, or they say, listen to this music or whatever it is. Okay. Those are all the traditional approaches. What I am saying is, once we do a practice, once we undertake my program, or once we do one exercise in my program, the same thought or the same memory or whatever it is been producing anxiety will not be able to produce anxiety.
Okay.
So
So you're
yeah,
so you're saying in one shot, like if I understand the other way, you're going to the root cause and curing the symptoms at the root cause.
absolutely.
So that's as simple as that.
As simple as that. When we are going and
You're
changing,
rewiring to a positive zone and curing the symptoms.
yes,
I mean,
then
curing the symptoms at the root cause.
yes, absolutely. Then you go to the people who you choose to go and say, I'm not having any symptom anymore.
No,
And
this
if
is,
so, I'm not
this is
going.
like no. At this age, this is sounding more like a fairy tale and magic wand.
Absolutely, it works like a fairy tale and magic wand. But on third day, you don't say that.
No, we'll be happy, more than happy to apply this and get get these benefits. Actually, that's why we are here.
Yes. So I understand. See, unfortunate part is, throughout our life,
Mm-hmm.
okay, when we don't know something how to do, that appears like a magic.
True.
And when the moment you do it, it appears, hey, this is I know this. So yeah, that's the magic. One way you're right. That wand I'm going to wave on third day.
Hopefully, Pavan, like we'll be very grateful to you for that for our lifetime if you could do that.
Sure.
Yeah.
So if you have any other questions, feel free to ask me, guys. And I have seen one question from Jivan Reddy saying, I don't get sleep at night. What to do? So Jivan Reddy, what do you do in order to not to get sleep? What do you do? Okay, you think a lot. Absolutely. So when you think a lot, what do you feel in your body that actually disturbs the sleep? Okay, bad experiences, racing thoughts. So let us pick up. You have one bad experience, and that bad experience, you are troubling. It is troubling you a lot. Okay, and when you think about that specific bad experience, what do you feel? Jivanity. Yeah, you will feel very bad. So what we will be doing if you be with me till the end is that the same bad experience that is making you feel bad cannot make you feel bad anymore. Okay. See, there are very natural processes. There are something are very, very natural processes. What are the natural processes? Like you are sleeping happily is a natural process. By definition, you are happy is a natural process. What do? We bring in thoughts, we bring in other things that will actually disturb the natural process. And with this program, what we are going to do, we are going to make all these things, our thoughts or memories, which makes us to feel bad, important to make you feel bad, such that those will never be able to make you feel bad. So when all these things are taken care, by design, by default, you're going to sleep very well. Jivanity question, why is this happening to me? It is why, what is the point of getting into the discussion? Now you wanted to get it off that, you can get it off that. Okay. So one more question. Some rational thoughts are going constantly in mind, which have a minimal chance to happen. How to avoid it? I don't understand that. What is rational thoughts are coming? Understood. And what is the minimal chance to happen? I don't understand that. I don't have name also to say, so name is not displayed.
Pawan?
Yes, Prashant.
Yeah. So this, I mean, your approach leads me to another question. Say, for instance, practically, say somebody he is hearing a shocking news. So momently, what happens is somebody, when you hear a shocking news or some traumatic incident, they incur. Suddenly, what happens is the body secretes something, and they get a kind of a stroke or a heart attack. So you mean to say that can this also be avoided? Like, say for instance, like by taking your approach,
yes.
Can the bodily response to that particular stimuli can be avoided at
yes.
the root cause?
Yes.
As well.
Yes. Yes.
Even so, you mean to say even it cures even the bodily?
Yeah, because if you remember the first slide, I'm talking about mind and body are connected.
Correct. Yeah.
So your body will not do unless and until there is something happens in your mind. So the moment you go and restructure the way you code things, automatically the way you act is getting restructured. It's very simple.
Yeah, see, we are all victims of stimuli, right? The external stimuli around us.
Yes.
Which we perceive through our senses.
Yes.
And the main culprit is the mind, how it processes it, the stimuli.
Absolutely.
And the hormones or whatever the reaction happens is the repercussions of that.
Yes.
So now, so after your program, the same stimuli will be always there. You're not changing the external thing. The internal responses will be altered.
Yes.
To a healthy hormones and healthy practices. That is what is mean.
Yes, because you cannot control too much external, right?
Correct. That's I always say you have that. Only there are certain things we put a circle to ourselves. Only certain things are under our control.
Hello.
Yes. Who's this?
How Shubham?
Yeah,
Myself Shubham. How can I get rid of negative and overthinking? Negative thoughts and overthinking.
Again, Shubham, it is not about the thought or what about your thinking. Okay, it's all about what makes one thought positive, one thought negative. If you think, for example, you think becoming millionaire, and you are living in a palace, and Rolls-Royce car stand in front of you, and very, very gorgeous people are opening doors for you. When you think about it, how do you feel?
Feel good, happy.
Happy. So it is not the thought that is the issue. It is about the what emotion, that specific thought that creates in your body is the issue. Correct? So essentially what I'm
Yeah.
saying is, with this program, for example, if you take a thought, maybe thought about money, thought about the future, thought about something, if that is creating a negative emotion within you, maybe an anxiety, maybe a fear, maybe stress, whatever it is, post this program will not be able to create. So we are making that thought making the thought powerless, such that it cannot create that negative emotion anymore in your body.
Okay. Thank you.
And someone question is, how do I stop a negative repetitive thoughts? Same. It is not about the thoughts. It is about what do we respond to those thoughts. Debashish Chakravarti says, start the program, and today whatever I am need to cover, I have covered. And I also understand some people have some questions because of some network issues or whatever. So I'm answering those questions, and I'm going to answer those questions for another 5 minutes or 10 minutes. And we'll be closing the session today. And I'll be sharing this link with you on your WhatsApp group. And if you can go through and have any questions, feel free to reach out to me personally. And tomorrow we'll be having one more session at 6 p.m. sharp. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask me. If you wanted to have any more clarification, feel free to ask me. If nothing is there, maybe we can wind up the call. Majority of the important subject I have already covered.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Hi Krishnan, how are you doing?
I'm doing good, sir. How are you?
I am also good. Thank you. Tell me.
Sir, I've been to medication, sir. Now, as of now, I'm consulting a psychiatrist for the depression and all. So, will I be able to come out of it, sir, without medication?
So what depresses you? Tell me.
Maybe you know, people talk behind you, and I like that. I stopped going meeting friends also. Still, few more things made like I was very close with few of the guys, and those guys are also not like before and all. They start talking behind us, and
Okay.
things like that hurt me so much. And
Yeah, exactly.
other,
Wait. I'm
yeah,
sorry to interrupt you. So when you think
yes,
about all these things now, how do you feel?
feel very sad, sir, depressed.
Okay, for this you went to doctor to take medication.
There are few more things which I cannot.
Yeah, example, for things
Yeah.
like this you went for the doctor, right?
Yes, sir.
That's if at all for these kind of issues you went to the doctor, I 100% will say that you don't need medication.
Yeah, okay, sir.
And how since how long you're using medicines for this kind of
Past
activities?
3 to 6 months, sir.
This is what actually. Anyway, so
Yes.
to simply put, if these things are actually troubling you, will not be able to trouble you. Then once you are feeling normal, happy again, then go back to the doctor and say that now I become normal. Thank you very much for your treatment. Do you want me to continue? And then take a decision. So I am not here to tell whether you take
Yes.
medicines or not. I am only saying that whatever that is making you sad about your friends
Yes.
talking behind or whatever it is, will not be able to make you sad. Period.
Yes.
And panic, Sneha, similar things. What makes you panic? Or when do you choose to become panic?
Hi,
Prashant,
Pawan. Sorry, there was noise around. That's why I could not unmute myself.
no problem.
So as I said earlier, I am otherwise very confident, with my work and with friends and everybody.
Mm.
But there are two things which make me panic. One is, in case of data, I don't know why data always panics me. Though it's all there, and when someone says, "Give me this data," it really I don't know how I panic so much, even though it's there, and I have the anxiety that okay, it's not correct, maybe something is not correct in it. This anxiety is always there. And secondly, whenever I have an interview, though everything is there in my mind and I'm so confident, but when I'm in an interview and I have to answer, though the thoughts are not in a right flow. There's so many thoughts that come in my mind that I mess up, and I say half the things and I don't remember at that time the words and all that. So these are only two things where I have panic and anxiety issues. One is when somebody asks for any kind of data in the office, though it's already there, and the what's that interview. I have the anxiety that okay, fine, I have to impress the person in front. I have to impress the person in front, and if I don't get the answer to what they're asking, I really panic.
Understand. So once let us work step by step. So end of the day, one question to one answer to every question, Sneha, is that there are two approaches. One approach is first we need to work upon two different things. One is to break that structure of making you anxious or panic when someone asks you data. For example, if I ask you data, Sneha, what happened to the data? Give it to me. Can you show me now? If I ask you like that, will you get panic?
Um,
Maybe yes, maybe
it's
no.
not.
Okay,
Yeah.
no
Yeah.
problem. So when you think about a future previous instance where someone asked you some data, and can you become panic again with that?
Yeah. I
Okay,
will.
yeah. So we need to break that first, and we will break it. Maybe on third day we'll break it. Then with respect to interview, that is a different methodology we need to do. We need to advance program you. That is a different discussion. We'll discuss that on the fourth day.
Okay, Pawan.
Sure.
Sir, also get panicked when I'm doing any task, sir. Like, for suppose if I am able to take any action to start a project of my own, but still I get feared, and I feel so low confident to do that,
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah. So similar case like with Sneha.
Yes, yes.
If you don't mind to compare Sneha, apologies in advance for you also. So there are two things. One is we need to break it in one way. One second is to we need to reprogram. There are two subjects, and there are multiple factors. It is like a net, brother. Net. No, they will put to capture the elephants. They throw on the elephants. So when the elephant has been grounded with a net, and when you want to release the elephant, what you need to do? We need to go cut one net by one net, one net by one net, one net by one net, such that elephant can come out and live its life happily.
Yes, sir. So there is a procedure for it.
Everything has a procedure, and Krishnan, whatever you are saying is very very simple, and you will see complete transformations in just a matter of 2-3 weeks if you properly follow the guidance.
Definitely.
So, for your issues, I can say without medication.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. My name is Danish.
Hi, Danish.
Yeah, hi. So my question is like whenever I have something which is unknown or new, for example, like while I was working in IT company and we had certain technical queries. Now, if that query is known to me and if I have solved the same query previously, I am confident. But if it is something new which I have not previously experienced, then I'll like kind of panic, or I will think how will I do this, and those thoughts will start coming.
Okay.
So basically, I will.
Go ahead.
So basically, my mind will hang, kind of a thing, and I will not be able to do anything.
Yeah. Sneha, you go ahead. We're also going to close the call anyway in 5 minutes. So, Danish, again, the same answer, which we need to reprogram. And yeah, you will be different person once you do the process fully.
Okay. Well, thank you.
Yeah, sure. Krishna, you are the one year back attended my webinar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You see where you end up?
Yes, sir.
When you have not taken the right decision?
Yes, sir.
I feel bad about it.
Yes, sir.
Anyway. So if nothing is there for you guys, please drop. And tomorrow evening at 6 p.m. Can we meet at 5:30 p.m.? Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please let us have a second session. Debashish is saying no. 6 p.m. is okay, Debashish?
Yeah, we will meet at 6 p.m. Pawan.
Okay, let us keep at 6 p.m. tomorrow. Okay, let us standardly keep at 6 p.m. Tomorrow will be very short, maybe 15-20 minutes. And day after tomorrow will be the breakthrough.
Yes, sir.
If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. If not, please drop down. I'm going to end the call. And Prashant, you can stay back. You want to speak to me personally, you can. Yeah, I remember. Please feel to drop out, otherwise I'll remove you guys from the system. Danish, I don't think you have any question. Debashish, you have any question, ask me. If not, you can exit the call. Krishnan, you have any question, ask me question, otherwise we exit the call. Okay, Prashant, now you and me, you and I, tell me.
Thank you so much, Pawan, for this opportunity.
Sure.
I really heartily appreciate all your endeavors, and this is really giving me so much of hope that finally somebody is there for this. Okay, so my question is here. See, in 2013, I was diagnosed with very toxic depression and very toxic depression. So 2013, I had to take medicines, and I was fine. But there was one particular thought which was always abusive thought, which which is not mine. I mean, somebody I picked it up from somewhere, I don't know. It was kept on lingering in my mind, and that made me to make very wrong choices in my life. My marriage choices, for instance, and then I had to leave my job. All these things. So post which it was a big trauma for me. After marriage also, it was a very big trauma for me. And after that, I did not take medicine. And after marriage, yes, again I had to take be on medications, especially for antidepressants. Especially the doctor is saying that I have some serotonin deficiency in my brain. So which is completely, I mean, irrespective of the external situation, I might have a tendency to lose. I mean, what is it, like the hormones doesn't secrete properly in my brains. There's a chemical imbalance in the brains. So I really couldn't relate to it much, because whether the external situation is good or bad, there was still a lack of serotonin in my brain. That's what the doctor says, which I feel I don't believe that. But still, again, what happened during this Corona time? Again, certain guilt feelings, certain anxiety triggered all the past traumas, and again, I was in a I wasn't. I mean, I had a lot of panic attacks and anxiety attacks. Still now, I'm not driving my vehicle, four-wheeler, properly. Just now I started driving four-wheelers and all. I'm just getting better. I'm still on medications, anti-anxiety medications, BP medications, and antidepressants. So I really wanted to get rid of this. I mean, most of the time I feel I'm pretty much clear, pretty much confident, but sometimes I really don't know what stimuli makes me to feel low. But most of the time I'm fine actually. But these my parents also feel that I should take medications and till the doctor says to give it up. But I'm not a fan of taking pills at all. I really don't, because I always trust the process of nature and trust the process of body to heal itself and stuff like that. So how do I go about this one when there's very mild symptoms and also like one more thing is that still actually
अगर आप Facebook ads की मदद से लाखों leads.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
I'm sorry, yeah. And also the thing is that my external situations, like my health is not at its peak. Wealth, relationships, all have been put in stake now. Yeah. And I want to again rebuild everything to its highest potential.
Yeah, you were the one who actually was in touch with me since quite a long time. But why didn't you take your effort to join any of the program, and why are you waiting till now?
Actually, I was quite skeptical about this. Actually, because you were claiming it was too good to be true. So I wasn't sure that you would be giving a solution. And
so what I'm supposed to say, you will take years to recover. You need to go and spend lakhs in medicines. Or you have to go to the temple and do 108 pradakshinanas. Then people
actually,
will believe.
Actually, I wanted to see before I wanted to enroll the course. I just wanted to have a discussion with you, but you weren't available. I mean, at least over a phone or something like that, so that I wanted to get some. At least the connectivity has to happen, right? And then maybe we'll get that faith. So I was looking for that, but at this time I thought, okay, let me give it a try. This was a WhatsApp course, and I thought, let me give it a try. And
yeah, so I understand fully, Prashant, and I can help you. Maybe it will take 4 weeks, okay? But you need to be willing to invest on yourself, and there is faith that you need to be skeptic, okay? So that the whole purpose on 3rd day, you will see what happens. Then you decide if you would like to go for, and I'm going to help you. What disturbs me a lot, I don't know where is my problem or how it is. Okay. The guy, it's not fair to talk about others, but since the person is there in this group, I'm just talking. This is Krishnan is a guy.
Okay.
He's from Hyderabad. And I think in the last September, I believe so, or maybe before September, he attended a webinar on the same concept. Okay, that day I told him to join with me. Maybe that time is just maybe 10,000 rupees here and there. I don't remember. I'll help you out. For some reason, he couldn't get a chance to join, or he did not choose to join. You see now where he ended up. You understand what I'm saying? That makes me feel very bad. I don't know. I don't know how to convince people. Behind a point. I don't know.
So it's the problem here is Pavan. The problem here is we are dealing with a subtle aspect called mind, right? Which you cannot see, and which is like everybody is unique, and it's very subtle, and you don't know how the brain is also very complex, and mind is also like goes here and there based upon your past choices. Fate is also matters. A lot of factors involved.
That is exactly my problem also.
No, see, that's one more thing. I wanted to give you a suggestion for your Facebook ads. Please have some positive testimonials in the comment section. I did not see that actually.
See,
for instance, we've been running the show for quite some time. You might have some good people who have really got benefited from your course. Why don't you ask them to comment on the your ads, so that other people who are trying to see your ad will get that confidence. Okay, look here, somebody has attended the program and they got benefit. Why don't we give a chance? So that might increase your webinar attendees, and as well as the people also will get benefit. It's a win-win situation.
I agree with you. Some people reach out to me and they'll ask for testimonials. All what you are recommending happens at the WhatsApp communication level.
No. The same thing you can put it at because you are running the show based on the WhatsApp, Facebook ads.
I cannot do it unless maybe I'll send the links to someone and they can put comments on that. Unless and until they put it, I cannot do it, because that is not possible for me to do that with respect to Facebook ad.
No, one thing at least you can do is you can at least copy paste take a screenshot of your WhatsApp testimonials and at least place it there.
Yeah, I do that. Yeah. I think
because
I can do that.
The thing is that I was looking for such credibility because everybody here people generally they look for the authenticity and credibility. And also the testimonials these days, like
that's exactly the reason. No, the course which can be sold 10,000-15,000, I'm giving it 1,500 rupees.
No. See,
so yeah, I understand.
It has to be. One thing that I really appreciated was that the cost was very affordable. The only thing what was missing was that the testimonies from the people, like, because you've been running through so much, but there was only couple of testimonials actually, and that also was not reflecting so much in your posts. Because people go with the impulse actually.
Let us see, end of this third day, how many of you actually say, let us see first that.
I'm sorry?
End of the third day, how many of you say it back as a testimonial? You might get a breakthrough. Let us see how many people respond on the third day.
Respond what? I did not get you. Come again?
So once you have the breakthrough on third day.
Okay. After you give the solution.
Once you have got a breakthrough, then let me see how many people come forward and give the testimonial is what I'm saying.
Okay. Definitely. See, from my end, I'll be giving a testimonial.
See, I'll tell you the problem is the domain where we are in. It is some little bit discreet.
Correct. That's what I wanted. Okay. Correct.
No one wanted to come forward and say, I have this problem and I have done this. So still there are some people.
But you can put it in a very polished way. See, I attended Pawan's session and he helped me to get rid of certain
Yeah, but we will ask the people to give testimonial. We cannot force anyone to give. Some people, what happens?
The thing is that many people will get benefited by seeing those testimonies. My worry is that.
Agree.
Many people might not sign up for this course because they don't see a positive testimonial there. That's my only worry.
Agree. And second important problem, people don't believe that they have breakthrough in 5 minutes.
That was also too good to be true.
Yeah, but I asked this question. Majority of the things in life happens in minutes only.
Correct. That's true. That's what they say. No, the simple things are very profound.
Yeah. So how much time it will take to give birth? You may have 9 months of pregnancy. You may wait in hospital 48 days, but birth happens in 1 minute, 2 minutes.
Correct.
The same case with death. So the primary things like death and birth happens in minutes, boss. And you expect something. That's the unfortunate part. The whole world has been wired for anything to happen. Long periods of times are required.
See, because you have to blame the ethos of our culture as well, right? It's not that only the single mindset, but they've been built up like that. Yeah, so even with us, who had got very good exposure, we are well read, I've traveled to many countries. Still the certain things are still stuck.
Anyway,
that has to be rewired.
That's what I have to deal with respect to my.
Anyways, really appreciate you. The kind of service the kind of work you're doing is not the ordinary thing actually, because what you're claiming to do something which the highly sophisticated gurus they cannot do it actually.
No, I don't want to compare like that. Like even they also do that.
No. But you are taking a lot of. I would say it's more taking a lot of good karma on your side by clearing up all these things. So bless your heart for that.
Let us see.
Okay. Thank you, Pawan. I just wanted to share with you. So wanted to give a heads up on what I'm undergoing.
No problem. I have told you there are two ways. One is one is you simply shoot. One goes up. If you need a complete transformation, we need to work 3 to 4 weeks properly. Okay. But I can promise you that you will be a different person. Means person you don't change, but the decisions you make change.
Okay.
Or the actions you engage in change. That will reflect into different kind of responses. The people will respond to you differently, the results you get differently. So that is very much possible, you know. I don't say that you know, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, the entire whole your mind is getting changed. That is a very unfair to say that. Hence, I'm very specific. One specific thought, memory will get go powerless in 5 minutes. Obviously, we are a human being. 20, 30 years of life will have multiple things. You know, there are multiple things. We need to break it step by step, and you cannot go use the same methodology to break everything. So you need to go step by step, approach methodology by methodology. Then obviously, see, your life is depends upon the choice, the quality of choice you make. And the, you know, what stops you to make the quality choice is your emotion, that moment. The moment you address all those things, you automatically make better choices, no? Yeah. So that is the whole point. Anyway, thank you. I have another meeting to go.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Pawan. Yeah. See you then. Yeah. Good evening. Bye.
Bye.